Hakano pai sngi jong ka khatsau trik urisau arajar arpulai. Kumba ka por shibe jemin sngi kala don ka jingplo ding ka be ishar khaiba ha Khyndailad ka ba ka tedam kala kieu bahasa jrong ya ka balala bansaki nadu kichaka ki ba shajangai kumna golfling ka than maulai jayau bat kiwi kichaka bat kani lala bandong lungba ka jingering video jong ki Paidbah na ka yengsa ka jongki ka ba kila pen sapriang ha kirinsan social media kading ka balaklang baru lala banyoi ha kitu ki bayo ring di ki mobile bat haba ki lat pathai ki badon ban pendep ya ka kamram jongki ban leitlum khubor ki lala ban pentikna ba kading kala bam snyam ya ki dukan ki yeng sa briu ha ka yeng mala ka badon hajan ka payal cinema kata Khyndailad lani ka bagi jukhot ka police bazar ka jingklang ba ka ding kala ne jan arkenta bat ka jing pelip ding ka beteng hadu ka por kumba nyobeje jan miet bat ki kali pelip ding ki bakentup na katanat fire and emergency services kumba nyotli ki laban her ban litong Maria lut ko barkala pelong ru yaki bor penyai district ban pan jingerap naki kali pelip ding naki bor sipai air force khnang ban la ban tem ya katega ding kepala bam iki dukan bat ki kudam kum jong ka Hanuman box Rajdhani Bajanlal kanata furniture bat ki weipat ala ban yo alum kuboru balingba ka jing bethai jing ki tendong le air shed jing shed kalanang penjur shu ya ka ding hakani ka jaka bat bu jingma ya ki weipat ki dukan bat yeng mala ki pamarjan kum kuwei ne ki lat pathai kubor ka baju sakhi ye kum kini ki jingja kam sngo pla shu ban yo I ya ka jing shlor ki Paidbah ki badai ban phet jangai na kum kini ki jaka wat haba ladan ka jing perta Paidbah ru henrei ki dang tur Pynban sajan bat ban long kum kinong pe kai compare la ki de ki trajela ni ki barjela bat ka bai thamula ka long kum ba ka ding ka baklang ka long Pynban kum ka Tamasa namar ka jing muja jong ki ban sei ki mobile bat ban ring video bat kum juru ban shandur ka jingkali ka ba mi menta ka ei ka ban jala da ha ka jingklang ka ding bat ki dobilat kenro ki orpat bat ban bethai hato lada kita ki klonggas ki bethai bat siet ni ja kumno kin le kumno bat kin kinno pat yano hato umdei ka jingbiet jongki hi shimet.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.